In this video, we will discuss. In this video, we'll learn how to solve this question. Find the depth of neutral axis and percentage of steel for a balanced section of a singly reinforcement beam. Grade of concrete is M20. Grade of steel is Fe250. Hello friend, I am Samiti. Back to a new tutorial video regarding RCC. So first we solve this problem. Okay. First we write down given data M20 and Fe250. Okay. And it is single reinforcement beam. Find out the depth of neutral axis and percentage of steel. Now we have to find out solution. For M20, value of sigma CVC is here 7 Newton per mm square. Sigma ST equal to 140 Newton per mm square. Okay. So from this value, modulus rho M equal to 280 by 3 sigma CVC. Then value is 13.33. For balanced section, N equal to KD. So here N equal to K value 0.4 and D. Lever arm equal to D 1 minus K by 3. That means 0.867 D. And moment resistance M, that is equal to R BD square, that is equal to half sigma CBC Kj, half into 7 into 0.4 into 0.867 equal to 1.214. That means, and as well as B D square, that is the value of M. And what is about the permissible steel? That is the AST by BD, that is equal to 50K square M1 minus K, that is equal to 50 into 0.4 square by 13.33, 1 minus 0.4 to 1. So yeah, now so we find finally answers and the neutral axis depth. Okay, so this is very simple and short math for you. If you're facing some issue or problem, definitely do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you find some value from this video, then yeah, like the video, share and circulate the video to your group and friend, and subscribe the channel for getting much more content like this. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. We'll see you soon with another math problem. Okay, bye.